Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Lomax, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. We are 2 months prior to year end, and the savvy business person, and perhaps the investor too, might be starting to consider looking at prepaying some expenses to reduce or defer their taxation liability. We might also be looking at whether our contributions to superannuation can be enhanced to take advantage of the maximum contribution rates available this year, which significantly reduce at financial year end. Some expenses can be paid up to 13 months in advance. Expenses like rent, interest on fixed borrowings, and some leases can be prepaid, deferring taxation liabilities into later periods. Strategies like this can give us a one-off advantage in our taxation liability. Paying our expected taxation liability in tomorrow's dollars rather than today's has the advantage of preserving cash flow for continued investment inside our businesses for longer periods before the taxman gets his fair share. Cash flow is everything in business, and undertaking a prepayment strategy can put undue pressure on cash flow in the short term, as can availing ourselves of enhanced superannuation contributions. Impact strategies need to be carefully considered, and having someone cast an eye over your plans, like your MW Lomax client account manager, can go a long way to ensuring starvation is not a consequence. Any business person should be looking to discuss the potential enhancement of superannuation contributions at this time with their financial planners and wealth advisors to ensure the changes slated for 1 July next do not see them missing the wealth boat. Again, cash flow is paramount, and given superannuation is potentially a long-term investment, it could be very prudent to discuss the ramifications with all the required advisors. At MW Lomax, this time of year is very busy for these types of integrated financial services. The client account managers are reviewing results and, where required, bringing in the raft of experts in areas like financial planning, risk insurance and superannuation to ensure no stone is left unturned now before the 30th of June, because after that date it's too late. If you need this type of financial services, please contact us at strategy@mwlomax.com.au and we can work through your plans and ensure the best possible outcome.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MW Lomax, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.